Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Bentley Luxury Motorhome evokes visions of unmatched luxury and custom craftsmanship, skillfully fusing the distinctive features of Bentley's superior automobiles with the roomy comforts of an upscale recreational vehicle. Although Bentley's main focus is still on high-end cars, investigating the possibilities of a motorhome like this offers an intriguing exercise in envisioning the ultimate in mobile living. A specially designed chassis would be necessary to guarantee a foundation of unmatched stability and riding quality. This chassis would probably have adaptive damping, sophisticated air suspension, and a strong engine that could easily move the large car. Given the company's shift to electric and hybrid power, a totally electric or hybrid powertrain is likely, but the engine itself would need to be extremely powerful, possibly a Bentley V8 variant. Bentley's distinctive style, which is distinguished by graceful lines, a commanding presence, and painstaking attention to detail, would be embodied in the exterior design. The motorhome's shape would naturally incorporate Bentley design elements including the recognizable matrix grille, unique headlamp clusters, and contoured bodywork. The facade would be embellished with high-end materials like handcrafted wood inlays and polished aluminum, adding to its opulent appeal. Handmade leather upholstery that has been painstakingly sewn and embellished with Bentley's renowned diamond quilting. Rare wood veneers that have been carefully chosen and treated to produce a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Furniture that has been specially developed to optimize both comfort and functionality. Modern entertainment systems that blend in well with the living area. A gourmet kitchen with bespoke cabinetry and top-of-the-line appliances. A luxurious bathroom with high-end fixtures and finishes that resemble a spa. Technologies for controlling the climate that provide the ideal atmosphere. Sophisticated driver assistance technologies that guarantee a smooth and safe driving experience. A complete infotainment system that offers entertainment and smooth connectivity. Integration with smart homes, enabling remote control of a number of car operations. Sophisticated satirical communications. At the top end of the RV industry, the Bentley Luxury Motorhome would serve discriminating customers who expect nothing less than the best. Its uniqueness and custom design would fetch a higher price, indicating the unmatched materials and craftsmanship used. While the concept is undeniably captivating, the feasibility of producing such a motorhome would depend on various factors, including market demand and production capabilities. Eco-friendly materials and technologies might be used into the motorhome in keeping with Bentley's dedication to sustainability. The 2026 Bentley Elegance Motorhome is essentially a picture of mobile life at its most upscale, where unmatched elegance and superior automobile craftsmanship come together to produce an amazing journey.